All right, today we're going to replace this shower drain right here. We got everything else changed out from an older look to the newer contrast look, and that drain is going to be next. Shower drain. This is a DIY video for that. Hope it helps you. And we have a silver looking one. We're going to put a new black one in there to match the new fixtures that are in here and to update a little bit. And so we'll go there next. All right, so coming in close, you're gonna need some pliers, a flathead screwdriver. And you got some notches you can use here to pry this up. And here on this old one, you can see the notches that you're trying to pull out right now on the sides. Especially on an old one, you can grip it here and pull it up. So whichever one you need to do, if you need to pry a little bit, you can, if it's down really good. And twist it back and forth a bit, but this one I think is going to come up pretty easy, and so I'm going to give it a tug right here, and just for good measure do a little bit of this, and you can see it came off pretty well there. Now we're going to do a little bit of cleanup on this because there's a lot of corrosion, and we're not going to replace this whole piece here and the whole tub, so we're just doing the decorative piece. So we're about to do this too, get some mild abrasive cleanser, and you can clean up what was there. Just gonna let this abrasive sit for a minute while it takes off some of the corrosion and stuff from over the years. All right, now we're gonna put on this plate. You can see it snaps right on to the existing assembly. There you go. Now you've got matching stuff for an updated drain. And here's a close-up of our work, and you can see if you ever need to remove this one, it has the same notches on the sides. You can pull up the screwdriver or pliers. Hope this video helped you. Be sure to like and subscribe.